everyone, I am Miss Cortez and welcome to my channel. For today's discussion, we will have a supplementary video for Mathematics Grade 10 Module 2 entitled Illustrating Arithmetic Sequence. Objective: find the common difference in an arithmetic sequence, find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, and find the arithmetic
A few moments later.
Kung tapos na masagutan ng pretest, alamin naman natin ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. So, si common difference ay napaka-importante para sa ating lesson ngayon sa arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence can be divided into two types. It is a finite sequence and infinite sequence. It is called finite sequence if it has a first term and last term. Example, in a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Meron tayong first term which is 1 and the last term which is 5. Another example of finite sequence is 2, 4, 6, up to 12. We have the first term 2 and the last term is 12. In infinite sequence, it is called infinite if it has first term but no last term. Example, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so forth. We have the first term 5 but no last term. Another example, we have 7, 9, 11, and 13. We have the first term 7 and no last term. Take note, the ellipsis or the three dots implies that it is endless or infinite. We have another example of an arithmetic sequence. We have 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. What type of sequence is this? Very good. It is a finite sequence because meron tayong 3 as the first term at nagtatapos naman ito sa last term na 19. The terms are denoted as a's of 1, a's of 2, a's of 3, a's of 4, and a's of 5. Kung makikita nyo, si fifth term na 19 is denoted as a's of 5. But since siya rin ang last term sa ating arithmetic sequence, pwede rin natin siyang i-denote as a's of n. Now, we will discuss about how to find the common difference b in an arithmetic sequence. Just subtract two succeeding terms. Example, consider the arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and 19. These terms are denoted as a's of 1, a's of 2, a's of 3, a's of 4, a's of 5, and a's of 6. So we are going to find b, which is the common difference. Solution: subtract two succeeding terms. Subtract the first term from the second term, which is a's of 2 minus a's of 1. It will be 7 minus 4 equals 3. Second, subtract the second term from the third term. A's of 3 minus a's of 2. That will be 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Third, subtract the third term from the fourth term. That would be a's of 4 minus a's of 3. That is 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. We have to subtract the fourth term from the fifth term. A's of 5 minus a's of 4, which is 16 minus 13, which is 3. Last, subtract the fifth term from the sixth term. So we have a's of 6 minus a's of 5, which is 19 minus 15 is equal to 3. Therefore, the common difference or d is 3. Example number 3 to find the common difference. Given that 7p plus 2, 5p plus 12, 2p minus 1 as an arithmetic sequence. What is p and what is the common difference? We have the first term denoted as a sub 1, 7p plus 2, the second term 5p plus 12, and the third term 2p minus 1.
Paano natin mahahanap ang value ng p at ang common difference sa arithmetic sequence na ito kung saan ito ay binubuo ng mga algebraic expressions? Kung mapapansin natin sa arithmetic sequence na ito ay binubuo ng tatlong terms. So we have the first term denoted as a of 1, 7p plus 2. Second term denoted as a of 2, we have 5p plus 12. And the third term or the last term is denoted as a of 3, which is 2p minus 1. Paano natin hahanapin ang value ng p? By the solution of common difference, kailangan pa rin natin isubtract ang two succeeding terms, which is a of 2 minus a of 1 is equal to a of 3 minus a of 2. Miss, bakit po sila equal? So tulad ng sinabi ko, ang ginamit natin dito is the solution of the common difference. By the name itself or sa ginawa natin kanina, ang common difference ay may pare-parehong sagot kung saan sila ay equal. So, ibig sabihin, ang difference ng a of 2 minus a of 1 ay kapareho lamang or equal lamang sa magiging resulta or difference ng a of 3 minus a of 2. Ngayon, kailangan natin i-substitute ang values ng mga terms na ito gamit ang original or given arithmetic sequence. So, a of 2. So, we have 5p plus 12 minus a of 1, we have 7p minus plus 2 is equal to a of 3, 2p minus 1 minus a of 2, 5p plus 12. Para ma-solve natin ang equation na ito, let's recall your knowledge sa linear equations. So, tatandaan, para ma-solve, kailangan natin i-group ito according to their common terms. So, we have 5p minus 7p plus 12 minus 2 is equal to 2p minus 5p plus negative 1 minus 12. 5p minus 7p, we have negative 2 plus 10 is equal to negative 3p minus 13. Ngayon, group pa rin natin siya. We have 2p plus 3p is equal to negative 13 minus 10. So, we have p is equal to negative 23. Ngayon, para mahanap naman natin si D or si common difference matapos nating mahanap ang value ng p, kailangan natin i-substitute ang value ng p sa ating original arithmetic sequence para malaman natin kung ano ba ang value ng first term, second term, and si third term. So, unahin natin kay first term, a of 1. So, si a of 1, we have 7p plus 2. So, si 7p, papalitan natin si p ng value na nakuha natin kanina. So, 7 times negative 23 plus 2. So, this is 7 times negative 23, that is negative 161 plus 2. So, the answer is negative 159. Second term. So, sa second term naman, we have 5p plus 12. So, si 5 times negative 23 plus 12. So, meron tayong negative 115 plus 12. This is negative 103. Last term or si third term. Si third term, we have 2p minus 1. So 2 times negative 23 minus 1. So we have negative 46 minus 1 is equal to negative 47. So ngayon, meron na tayong value ng ace of 1, first term, ace of 2, second term, ace of 3, third term. Pwede na natin makuha ang kanilang common difference by subtracting two succeeding terms. Isusubtract natin si ace of 2 and ace of 1, ace of 3 and ace of 2. Ace of 2 minus ace of 1 is equal to negative 103 minus negative 159. The answer is 56. Next, ace of 3 minus ace of 2, we have negative 103 minus negative 47. So the answer is 56. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to 56.
Noong nakaraang module, napag-aralan na natin ang finding the general term. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ang general or nth term of arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence can be expressed as an equation or rule. Arithmetic sequence general rule is ace of n is equal to ace of 1 plus open parenthesis n minus 1 close parenthesis 3, which is ace of n is the last term or the nth term, ace of 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Let's have an example number 1. Given the arithmetic sequence for 9, 14, 19, 24, 29, so on and so forth. This is a kind of infinite sequence. So the question is, find the arithmetic rule. So we are going to find what is ace of n. Solution. Given that we have the first term ace of 1 as 4 and the common difference 5. Bakit 5? Kasi kailangan natin i-subtract ang second term and first term, third term and second term, fourth term and third term. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, 14 minus 9 is equal to 5, and so on. Kaya ang common difference ay 5. Using the general rule, ace of n is equal to ace of 1 plus n minus 1d, isa-substitute natin ang mga value ng given sa ating general rule. So, meron tayong ace of n is equal to 4 plus n minus 1, 5. So, kailangan natin i-simplify. Magkakaroon tayo ng ace of n is equal to 4 plus 5n minus 5. We will have the result, ace of n is equal to 5n minus 1 as our arithmetic sequence rule. Para naman malaman natin kung tama ang ating sagot sa ating arithmetic sequence na nakuha nating ace of n is equal to 5n minus 1, we have to check. To check, kailangan natin i-substitute ang value ng every term sa ating arithmetic sequence rule na nakuha, which is the first term, papalitan natin si ace of n as ace of 1 is equal to 5 times 1 minus 1. So, ace of 1 is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So, given sa question na ang first term natin is 4, correct ang ating arithmetic sequence rule dahil the first term is 4. Second term, ace of 2 is equal to 5 times 2 minus 1. Ace of 2 is equal to 10 minus 1. Ace of 2 is equal to 9. Is our second term is 9? Correct. Therefore, the arithmetic sequence rule is correct. Ace of 5, or the fifth term. Ace of 5 is equal to 5 times 5 minus 1. a sub 5 is equal to 25 minus 1. A sub 5 is equal to 24. Is our fifth term 24? Correct, because as you can see at the problem, the fifth term is 24. Now, let's discuss how to find arithmetic mean. In finding arithmetic means are terms m sub 1, m sub 2, and so on up to m sub k between two numbers a and b such that a, m sub 1, m sub 2, up to m sub k, b is an arithmetic sequence. In finding the arithmetic mean, we have an example number 1. Insert the racing term from the arithmetic sequence 5, 11, 17, blank, and 29. Solution: first, get the common difference. Second, add the common difference to the preceding term. To find the missing term, first step, get the common difference. So, the common difference will be 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. Therefore, the common difference of the arithmetic sequence is 6. Second step, add the common difference 6 to the preceding term. Therefore, 17 plus 6 is equal to 23. So, the missing term in this arithmetic sequence is 23. Example number 2. Given the arithmetic sequence 15, 0, negative 15, negative 30, and negative 45. Find the arithmetic sequence rule. So we are going to find what is a sub n. Solution. So given that the first term a sub 1 is 15 and the common difference is negative 15, since 0 minus 15 is negative 15, negative 15 minus 0 is negative 15, and so on. So using the general rule, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. Again, we are going to substitute the value of the given first term a sub 1 and d from the general rule. So we have a sub n is equal to 15 plus n minus 1 times negative 15. If we are going to simplify, we will have a sub n is equal to 15 minus 15n plus 15. So our arithmetic sequence rule will be a sub n is equal to negative 15 plus 30. Now, let's have example number 2. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 6 and 54. We will have 6, blank, 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 and 54. How we are going to find the missing terms in this arithmetic sequence? Solution. We will have the given as the first term a sub 1 is equal to 6, a sub n or the last term is equal to 54, and the n, 5, which is the number of terms since there are 5 terms in the sequence. First, we have to solve the common difference using the general rule form. What is the general rule again? We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. We are going to substitute the given from the arithmetic problem from the general rule form. So we will have 54 is equal to 6 plus 5 minus 1 d. So we are going to simplify. We will have 54 is equal to 6 plus 4d. Simplify again. We have 54 minus 6 is equal to 4d. We have 48 is equal to 4d. So the common difference, we will have d is equal to 12. Now that we already have the common difference, we are going to add the common difference to the preceding terms. So again, we have 6, blank, 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 and 54. So if we are going to add 12 from the first term, we will come up with 18. Add again the common difference from 18, we will have 13. So we will add 12 again. We will have 42. Therefore, the three arithmetic means are 18, 30, and 42. Now, I hope you are ready for your practice exercises.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more supplementary video for Mathematics Grade 10.